how to customize apps that can always use mobile data or not on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connections. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on data usage. From here, tap on data saver. Then we go down and tap on apps that can always use data. Now in here, you can scroll down the list and select the individual apps that can or cannot use mobile data. So for example, if I want to allow calendar to use mobile data, I can tap on it to turn it on. Otherwise, we can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that is how you can granularly control which apps can use mobile data. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.